Can you imagine that this material is from outer space? And the watch just costs. Hello everyone, this is Marc again for you. Today with another video, watches of the week. I will show you what I bought during the last week and give you a guideline in the jungle of watches, what you should buy and you should not buy. So let's go. Before we now start, please make sure that you like and subscribe to this channel. This would make me very happy. And in case you are looking for the perfect way to store your watches, check out the Rolex travel pouches. This is the perfect way to travel with your watch. It don't get scratched, it don't get damaged, and every time I got this in stock, the quantities are selling very fast. So in case you want one, check out the link in the description. So let's first start with the entry level, and I have for you a beautiful Omega Speedmaster reduced. This color is more popular with Richard Mille. I put on this strap, it got the folding clasp. It's a Speedmaster reduced with a mother of pearl dial. I don't know if it's a limited edition, but definitely they discontinued this one long time ago, and it comes full set with box and papers. And personally for the summer, it's just a stunning watch on your wrist. Of course you can also change the strap to a more darker color in the winter time, but overall for 3,000 euro, this kind of watch is just a good deal. So in case you want to spend 3,000 euro, I can always promise you that I buy this watch back. A lot happened in the world of watches, and there is also a lot to come. I have for you right now in front of me Day-Date 2 Platinum. This piece right now jumped in price. It stayed for the past 3 years constantly around 40,000 euro, but now this is gone. Be sure at the moment this one sells, and I'm the cheapest one in whole Europe, for 47,000 euro, but I promise you this watch will jump now to, let's say, in the next 6 to 12 months to 55,000 euro. The quantities available online are very limited, and overall the watch was very expensive back in the day. I always said it that this watch will go up in value. We also see this apply to the Day-Date 2 models in rose gold and yellow gold. So in case you are looking for an investment piece, what you can wear, then check out the Platinum. It almost looks like a Datejust, and just people who know also the value of the watch. In this price range, under 50,000 euro, the perfect watch to go with. And I don't know what happened to me or what got in my mind, but I bought the Iwc Aqua Timer is the watch I want to show you next. This is a diver's watch with an incredible level of quality. I got it full set, and the price for this magnificent timepiece is, I think, 3,900 euro. It's not expensive, good in size, and a perfect tool watch. So if you are just entering the world of luxury watches, try out this one. I can promise you that you can always sell and trade this watch very easily. Of course, it will not gain any value. If you compare it, for this price, you can just buy Omega Reduced, for example, and if you are a more bigger guy, then maybe this is the right watch for you. And if I buy it for the shop, then you know something is about this watch. So in case you're looking for a different kind of brand, this is the only watch from IWC which I bought in the past 6 months. I don't know if you heard the rumors, but Greece told me that the Explorer will get discontinued very soon. I have for you a DLC coated Explorer, which is new from last year. Normally I'm not a big fan of this DLC coated watches, but when I get one, it always sells out quick. So keep an eye on this watch in case you're a very sportive guy and you like to wear, let's say, leather jackets. Maybe this fits your style. The size is perfect and the matte finish of the bracelet looks stunning. If you are going to sell this watch again, you definitely will lose some amount of money, let's say 10% to 15%. But you know, you also buy the watch for yourself to enjoy it, so maybe this is not an issue for you. As the next watch, I will show you the Day-Date in 36mm, and man, I got a full set. This one has a black baguette dial, and you get the hang tag, the papers, the card holder, the booklet, and another booklet, and a travel pouch. All comes with this watch. I'm pretty convinced that also this watch will jump in price. At the moment we are at 18,000 euro, but I'm quite sure that the watch will hit the 20,000 euro and 22,000 euro, let's say, in the next 6 to 12 months. The only thing what you need to take care about is the condition of the watch. So check out, is it over polished, or are the corners and the lugs are round? This is important. And of course the set. Box and papers I would always recommend in this price range. Beautiful watch, classic timepiece. You can wear it with a sportive outfit or with an elegant outfit. Both is possible with this watch. As a next stop, I have a real highlight for you. You will probably never see this watch in my hands again. This is a RM11 Philippe Massa Orange Storm. It was introduced back in the day. This watch is discontinued for a long time. The case is made out of ceramic. Just 30 pieces are available in the whole world, and I was lucky to get one. Unfortunately, in case you are interested in the watch, it's already sold. So I just got it in and one collector bought it. It's a really rare watch. The color of the strap and the inlay is the same like Hermes. This watch got sold now for a little bit more than 200,000 euro. To be honest, there is not a price tag on this kind of watches. I also could offer the watch for 250,000 euro. There are 30 pieces, and at the moment everyone wants RM. So this is not easy for you, but I always try to not overprice the items. So this is my kind of way to go, and I just can give you the recommendation. Dig a little bit in the past and compare the models and the materials next to each other. So just because there are 30-piece limited edition doesn't mean that now the watch is worth 300,000 euro. With Richard Mille, it's always important to check out the color. So turquoise color is the most expensive one. Orange is not so highly demanded. Keep that always in mind, and don't spend too much money if the market value is lower than the watch you want to buy. And I showed you the day date in the same price range before. Now I will show you a sports watch from the current collection. Very hard to get. It's the second time I have this timepiece in my hand, and the first one got sold very quick. I have for you right now the Gmt Master Ii in white gold, but with the meteorite dial. This is pretty rare. Rolex does it quite some time. In the past they did it with a Daytona meteorite dial, and you see what happened there. I promise you this watch will gain in value a lot, okay? It's very hard to get. If you check out the quantities, they are just little to buy. And I have a brand new piece with a new warranty card from 2021. To be honest, this watch I probably would preserve in the condition like it is. We have here some stickers left on the back side, and I would just, don't wear the watch. This is a collector's item and a real investment from the current collection. Mark my words, in 2 or 3 years, you will be surprised what price this watch will hit. So my recommendation, also under 50,000 euro, a real investment piece. And man, the dial is just exceptionally nice. What an idea to put a meteorite inside of a watch, huh? Nice piece. And now as the next stop, I will show you some colorful watches just real quick. We have here a 41mm ice blue Datejust 126300 diamond bezel and also diamond indexes. Nice Roman numerals on the dial, and we have also in 36mm almost every color. And the nicest piece I personally think is this kit in rose. This is a Submariner 16610 in the color rose. I enjoyed this one on Sunday, and I have to tell you, it's a hell of a look. So in case you are interested in one of these watches, just check out the links in the description. And yeah, so in case you like that video, please make sure that you like and subscribe to this channel, and then I see you guys next time.